Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Hello, curious minds. Today, we're going to delve into the captivating world of seeds and explore their fascinating structure and germination process. The structure of a seed. Introduction. Before we talk about seed germination, let's first understand the incredible structure of a seed. Though they may seem small, seeds are like nature's treasure chests, packed with everything a young plant needs to begin its life. A typical seed consists of three main parts. Seed coat. The outer protective layer of a seed is called the seed coat. Function. It acts as a shield, safeguarding the embryo and the endosperm inside from damage and external factors. Endosperm. The endosperm is the food source for the developing plant embryo. Function. It contains essential nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which nourish the growing plant until it can produce its food through photosynthesis. Embryo. The embryo is the tiny, undeveloped plant inside the seed. It contains the rudimentary roots, stem, and leaves, all tightly packed and ready to grow into a full-fledged plant. Seed germination. Now that we've explored the seed structure, let's learn about the magical process of seed germination. It's like a sleeping wonder waking up and coming to life. Seed germination is the awakening of the dormant embryo inside the seed. To begin the germination process, seeds need specific conditions, including moisture, oxygen, and the right temperature. Conditions necessary for seed germination. Moisture. Water is a vital element for germination. Role. When a seed absorbs water, it triggers enzymes that break down stored nutrients in the endosperm. These nutrients then fuel the growing embryo. Oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for respiration, the process by which the embryo converts stored nutrients into energy for growth. Proper aeration of the soil ensures sufficient oxygen supply to the seeds. Temperature. Seeds have specific temperature preferences for germination. Some prefer warmer temperatures, while others thrive in cooler climates. Generally, a moderate and consistent temperature promotes successful germination. Light. For some seeds, while most seeds germinate best in darkness, some require light to initiate germination. These are known as light-dependent seeds. The journey of germination. First, the seed coat cracks open, allowing the young root, known as the radicle, to emerge. The radicle anchors the plant into the soil and begins absorbing water and nutrients. Next, the shoot, or the young stem, stretches upward, seeking sunlight. As it reaches the surface, the first leaves, called cotyledons, unfurl to begin photosynthesis. I hope you enjoyed this educational adventure into the world of seeds and germination. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep nurturing the wonders of our natural world. Until next time, happy gardening. Goodbye.